Hello fellow translators. So this should be a quick video and I just wanted to go over this with you because this is an email I received recently and it's something that you should not be doing, and so I wanted to share with you why you should not be doing it, the things that this person is doing wrong, and sort of what you should do instead. I have other videos. Now, I have other videos where I go through a bunch of emails and I talk about the good points and bad points, and so I won't get too much into detail for this, but mainly I wanted to point out what this person did. First of all, they sent it to the wrong email address. I'm not really sure even how they got that email address because it's definitely not the one that I use for people sending in their resumes. Now, I've always said when people send their resumes or when people want to apply or anything, they should do so through the form that I have on my website, and usually I redirect people there. I will never open a resume if it's an unsolicited email. So, for example, here, I'm not going to open this resume. This is all I'm going to see of it because it's unsolicited, and that's how a lot of malware gets spread around. Anyway, but there are some other things and some other issues. First of all, the title here, looking for a translation job. Right away, this makes me think, okay, this person's looking for a translation job. That's great. He didn't specify the language combination or the specialty or industry or anything here, just said looking for a translation job. So right away, this sort of sounds like almost like I'm doing him a favor, like charity, like, oh, can I find this person a translation job? I don't know this person, obviously, he's cold emailing me. And when I'm doing my work, I'm in business mode, and someone says looking for a translation job, quite frankly, I'm inclined not to waste too much time with it. Anyway, it continues once you open the email, to whom it may concern, exclamation point, fine. And it goes through, I have 25 years experience as a professional translator. I hold a BSc MA International Relations, blah, 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 in English language, literature, and translation. I still don't know what his language combination is. At present, I'm studying part-time an online BA program in computer science and a minor in German language and culture at something in Denmark, also online and weekends. Right, I still don't know what his language combination is. Is it German? Is it Danish? Is it German to English, English to German, Danish to German, German to I mean, I don't know. I presume it's probably German to English. Not sure why he's in Denmark. Is he originally Danish? If so, then maybe he also has Danish to English. I really don't know what's going on here. So this email is something that I'd be very surprised if he gets anything from this email. At best, I imagine he'll get a response that says, please fill out our online form or something along those lines. Because quite frankly, there's not much you can do with this. So just keep this in mind. When you do send these unsolicited emails, first of all, if you go to their website, you fill out their form, and you show you that you can do that, then it shows that at least you put in a little bit of effort. This one was obviously sent to a bunch of people. It says BCC contact, which means he sent the exact same email to 20, 30, 100 different companies, I don't know, and he didn't take time for each one. Secondly, even if you are sending emails, if you're sending it to an agency, absolutely up here put your language combination. If you're sending it to an end client, then don't put looking for a translation job. Absolutely not. You put something like how you talk about how you can help them. If you are contacting whatever it might be, if it's an import-export company, say that you can help with their import-exports. If it's some other type of company, say I can translate your website or your marketing material into so-and-so language. Put something that shows what you can do for them up here. And again, if you're emailing an agency and if you're just starting out, you're probably emailing agencies, put your language combination here and maybe also your specialization so they see that right away. And definitely put it here because I don't know anything here. I don't know what the language combination is. I don't know what the specialization is or anything. And like I said, I'm not going to click on the resume. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you because these are things you should keep in mind, and you should definitely not be sending emails like this out. I do have other videos where I talk about the ideal email and I go through many other emails that were sent in and out, but I kind of wanted to go through this one a bit more in detail just to show you sort of an example of what not to do, unfortunately. So hopefully you can find this useful and you can learn from this person's mistakes. And yeah, best of luck going forward. Okay, thanks. Bye. Sabido.